Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Nightscout, a powerful open-source tool for managing diabetes data. Nightscout provides a personal website to view your continuous glucose monitor readings in real time, offering peace of mind and better insights. We will cover the essential steps to get your site up and running, from initial account creation to connecting your devices. This comprehensive guide aims to make the process straightforward and accessible for everyone. To start your Nightscout journey, you will need to create a few key accounts. First, sign up for a free GitHub account. This is where you will fork the Nightscout code. Then, create an account on a hosting service, such as Heroku or Nightscout Pro, which will host your website. Finally, set up a free tier account with MongoDB Atlas to store all your glucose data securely. These three platforms are crucial for building your Nightscout site. With your accounts ready, the next step is deployment. Fork the Nightscout CGM remote monitor repository from GitHub to your own account. Then, deploy this forked version to your hosting platform, which typically takes only a few minutes. Crucially, you must configure environment variables, including a secure API secret of at least 12 characters and your MongoDB connection string. Also, enable specific plugins like CarePortal or Bridge to customize your site's features. Now it is time to connect your continuous glucose monitor. Depending on your device, you might use the Dexcom Share Bridge or third-party apps like Xdrip Plus for Android or Spike for iOS to send data to your Nightscout site. To ensure continuous operation, set up a free uptime monitoring service to keep your site awake. After connecting, allow 5 to 10 minutes for data to appear. Then verify that your glucose readings are displaying correctly on your new Nightscout website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.